Hi, third grade. We are going to learn a new multiplication strategy today. We're going to do this mini lesson here on page 13. So get out your math books. You might need to pause this video to get your math book out and turn to page 13. We're going to do this solve and share problem today, and we are going to learn how multiplication, or what does multiplication look like on a number line. So this is our I can statement. I can use a number line to represent and solve multiplication facts. I can also model with math to solve problems. We're going to model with math using this number line. And I'm going to walk you through this solve and share problem, and you're going to do it along with me to take notes. So make sure you have your math book out on page 13. After we do this mini lesson, you're going to go to Schoology and complete the quick check, and I'll show you that here at the end of this video. So let's take a look at our problem here, multiplication on a number line. We are learning a lot of strategies that are going to help us when completing multiplication problems. So Harvey the hop toad jumped 4 times in the same direction. I want you to think of that as 4 groups. He jumped 4 times. He jumps 5 inches in each jump. How can you show how far he goes on a number line? So that's what we need to show. So I want you to think of the jumps as groups, just like we said, 4 groups of. This is 4 jumps of 5. 4 jumps of 5. It's the same as if we said 4 groups of 5. Sounds familiar, right? So 4 jumps of 5. So I need to show 4 jumps like I would show 4 groups. And I need to show that on my number line here. So I'm going to start at 0. And I want to tell you that multiplication is the same as skip counting. So when you're multiplying, you are actually skip counting. And when you see this on a number line, when you see how we solve this problem, you're going to see that we are skip counting by 5s. You know how to skip count by 5. 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60. So multiplication and skip counting are also related. That's why we use repeated addition to solve multiplication problems. You could also use skip counting to solve multiplication problems, and we're doing that on the number line. You can skip count starting with any number 2 and up. You can skip count by 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s, 8s, 9s, 10s, and so on. It's up to you. We are going to show skip counting by 5s because we have to make 4 jumps of 5. So we're going to start at this 0, and we are going to jump to 5. So that's our first jump. 4 groups of 5. This is 1. I need 3 more. And as you can see right here, there's spaces in the middle of my lines. That represents that 5 inches up here that they talk about. This is my 5 in each jump. See that space? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I landed on the 5. So after you do 5, you have to do 5 more because we have to jump 4 times, 4 jumps of 5. So if I do 5 more, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I land on 10. That's 2 jumps. I need 4. So I'm going to jump 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would put me on 15. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That would put me on 20. Hey, that makes sense. 5, 10, 15, 20. 20 is my answer. 20. How can you show how far he goes on a number line? Well, he jumped 20 inches. Now, I'm going to record this as a repeated addition sentence. So I know I had 4 groups of 5. So I'm going to show that. I'm going to write 4 groups of 5 in a repeated addition equation right here. Here's 3 groups of 5. Now there is 4 right there. 4 groups of 5, just like I have 4 groups of 5 on my number line, 4 jumps of 5. And I know that that's going to equal 20 because I solved that using my number line. And I also know that 4 groups of 5, or 4 jumps of 5, is 4 times 5. So you're going to practice this strategy in Schoology. I'm going to take you to your assignment. Your assignment is going to be in math. Quick check complete after live lesson. So when you complete this video, you're going to jump here and you're going to hit preview. Well, I'm going to hit preview. Yours is just going to pop up. You're going to hit start a new attempt. And you have 2 problems to solve. And remember, this is the first time we're using this strategy, so it's okay to be a little confused, but I think you can do this. I believe in you. You already know how to make those equal groups. And you know how to skip count from 2nd grade. So let's use some of that knowledge to help us with this problem. So remember, in a multiplication equation, when you look at the 2 factors, the first factor tells you how many groups you have, okay? Or in this case, how many jumps. This is saying 3 jumps of 10. Because the second factor tells you how many is in each jump or in each group. So 3 jumps of 10. I'm going to do your first jump. So I need 3 jumps of 10. Here's my first jump. Ooh, I landed on 10. I need 2 more jumps of 10. And where would that put me? When you find an answer, circle it and put it up here on the line. Do the same down here. 4 times 6 is the same as saying 4 jumps of 6. 4 jumps of 6. I'll show you 1 jump to 6. Boom. So you should have 4 humps showing me 4 jumps of 6. You should have 3 humps up here showing me 3 jumps of 10. I can't wait to see how you do with this. Have fun and good luck.